We are going to be learning from Tfilat HaShachar, from the Mishnah, all the way until the end of the first Sugיא of the Gemara, Lo Yahavele. I'll be saying it in English to help you better review at home. Tfilat HaShachar at Chatzot. Tfilat HaShachar, Shacharit, can be prayed until Chatzot, 12 in the afternoon. Rabbi Yehuda Omer Arba Sha'ot. He says until 10 a.m., 4 hours into the day. Tfilat HaMincha Ad HaErev. Tfilat HaMincha can be prayed until the evening. Rabbi Yehuda Omer Ad Pelag HaMincha, which we said is 4:45 p.m. Tfilat HaErev Ein La Keva. Tfilat HaAravit does not have a set time. At this point, we understand that to mean you could pray the entire night until Amud HaShachar. B'shel Musafim Kol Hayom. And Musaf, you could pray the entire day, according to Tanakama, Rabbi Yehuda Omer, Ad Sheva Sha'ot. Okay, that's the Mishnah. So we see the Gimel Mem, it tells us Gemara starting, Ura Minhu, there's a stira between this Braita that we're about to quote and the Mishnah. Says the Braita, Mitzvata imanetzachama, the mitzvah, a time that we say Shema of the morning is imanetzachama, with sunrise. Kedei sheyismoch geula latfila nimtza mitpalel bayom. In order that you'll be saying immediately after Shema, you'll be saying Geula, which is Baruch Atah Hashem Gal Yisrael, and you're going to be saying that Samuch, right? Samuch over there, you're going to be saying that right next to the Amidah, V'nimtza mitpalel bayom, and it turns out you're going to be praying Shacharit during the day. So we see from here that the Braita says, you know the time you're supposed to pray? It's 6 a.m. This is a stira on the Mishnah, because the Mishnah says either Chatzot or Arba Sha'ot. But here the Braita says 6 a.m. So that's the question the Gemara points out. Answers the Gemara, Ki Tanya hi levatikin. You know what this is talking about? This is talking about vatikin. Vatikin are people that are extra careful to do mitzvot at the very best time or the earliest time they could do it. De Amar Rabbi Yochanan Vatikin hayu gomrim otam enitzachama. Rabbi Yochanan said Vatikin would finish saying Kriyat Shema Shel Shachar with sunrise in order that they should be able to say Amidah at the very earliest time. So the Braita is talking about Vatikin. These people are extra careful to do the mitzvot the earliest possible time. And the Mishnah is talking about everybody else. Right? Everyone else, they could say till 10 a.m. according to Rabbi Yehuda, or Chatzot according to the Chachamim. Okay. Says the Gemara, a new question. V'kulei alama ad Chatzot v'tu lo. And does everyone say that the latest possible time that you could pray Shacharit is until Chatzot and no later? V'ha'amar Rav Mari Bereida Rav Huna Bereida Rabbi Yirmiyah Bar Abba Amar Rabbi Yochanan. So Rav Mari, the son of Rav Huna, who is the son of Rabbi Yirmiyah the son of Abba, said in the name of Rabbi Yochanan, Ta'av, a person makes a mistake, v'lo yitpalel aravit, and did not pray aravit, mitpalel b'shacharit shtaim. He prays the amidah shacharit twice. The first shacharit, the first amidah is for shacharit. The second amidah is to make up the aravit that he missed. Shacharit, if a person misses shacharit, mitpalel b'mincha shtaim, that person has to pray the tefillah of mincha twice. He prays the amidah twice. The first amidah he prays is for mincha, and the second one is for Shacharit. So we see from here that the latest time you could pray Shacharit is Ad HaErev. Why? Because if you miss shacharit, Rabbi Yochanan said, then you pray mincha twice. Mincha, we know, you could pray till ha'erev, lefi Tana Kama. So if that's the case, it turns out you could actually pray shacharit until 6 o'clock. So we see that really there is a later time to pray shacharit than even what the Mishnah says of chatzot. The Gemara answers, however, Kule Yoma, all day, Metzali va'azil ad chatzot. You could pray, Metzali is pray, va'azil continue, ad chatzot. Right? You could continue to pray until chatzot, yahavile sachar tefillah bizmana. Until chatzot, if you pray before chatzot, you will receive, yahavile, we give to you, sachar tefillah, the reward of tefillah, bizmana, in its time. Mikan ve'elach, but from here on out, meaning after chatzot 12:01, sachar tefillah yahavile, you're given sachar tefillah bizmana lo yahavile, but sachar tefillah in its time that you are not given.